Hello guys, I'm Alexis Ben Satria and this is my activities for 2 weeks when our Muslim brothers celebrate Idul Fitri. I'm celebrate Idul Fitri too. As you can see, me and my family attending our big family event Halal Bihalal with my family. Although I am Christiani, but I have a lot of brothers, I have a lot of Muslim brothers and a lot of Muslim relatives. Uh, I went to Surabaya to visit my uncle, visit my aunt, a lot of brothers in Surabaya. And in 2 weeks, I went to Semarang too for visit my uncle and my aunt too there. Thank you guys. Thank you for hearing my short story in 2 weeks. Thank you.